Are you going to bed? Not likely, huh?
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Are you ready? Here we go. Oh boy. No, it's the train boy. Here we go. Wow. It's called trains. Not a lot of words in this one. Ready? That's right.
Oh my gosh, that's funny.
Can you find
Did you turn a page? That's good, kiddo.
Let's see. Can you find the teddy bear on the steam train? Where's the teddy bear on the steam train? Where's the teddy bear on the steam train? I don't know where the teddy bear is on the steam train. Nope, that's a cow.
Moo cow.
That's right. Those are cows.
It's a moo cow.
Over. What is it? Oh, look. There's the teddy bear. Is it a teddy bear? Oh, yeah, there's the teddy bear. Here we go. There he goes. I swear he knows how to turn the pages.
Oh my gosh, you're beautiful.
Ready? Here we go. Oh, there it goes. Here's another one. Oh, look at that one.
You're so beautiful. Hi, Stinkeroo.
Nice.
Hi, Stinkeroo.
Go. Here we go.
Hi, Ham. Big Ham.
Here goes another one. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, now what are you going to do with it? Whoa, there it goes. Look at that train. Get that drool. Oh, there's the night train. Start over again.
It's so cool, Tyson. Is that nifty? Yes, it is.
But
It's so good. It's so good. It's so good. It is so beautiful.
Ready?
It's like, wow.
Wow.
Is that just the coolest thing in the world? Oh, he's got this thing
I
in
know.
his face. It's just so interesting.
Goes. Alright. You want to hold the book? Yeah.
This is probably the coolest thing in the world, isn't it, kiddo?
Next one.
Is it nifty? Is it Neo Petito? He pushes that page over. It's hilarious. Oh, you're beautiful, kiddo.
Ready for another one?
And there's Daddy.
There it goes.
Reading to Tyson. And down here, look, there's Max on the floor, playing with Daddy's foot. Yes. Max. It has to be in the middle of everything. That's right.
It's the night train. Can you see Teddy Bear on the night train?
And here's all the stuff in the room.
There's Teddy Bear on the night train. What else is on the night train? There's a bicycle.
There's bicycles. We'll get to those later.